Hi, before you start this course, I would like to introduce myself to give you confidence on who I am. So I'm Bill. My name is Bill Martin. And on the right, these are my achievements. So I am a tech instructor teaching both ServiceNow and DevOps. And I managed to certify myself as an enterprise architect and having 22 years of industry experience. I'm a certified ServiceNow instructor, and I've been also recognized as the best ServiceNow architect in the Asian region, and also awarded as the best ServiceNow architect in Singapore, and eventually as a certified ServiceNow instructor. So I both teach and do practice my experience in the industry into multiple verticals. And currently, at this stage, I have 6 ServiceNow CIS certifications and still growing. I hope you enjoy this journey of mine, that I share my knowledge with you to strengthen your skills and become certified as a certified system administrator of ServiceNow.